To understand your parents' love, you must raise children yourself. All that I am, or hope to be, I owe to my mother. No matter how far we come, our parents are always with us. My heroes are, and were my parents. I can't see having anyone else as my heroes. Children harbor a great many doubts and sorrows that could be eased by a loving hug from a parent. There is no friendship, no love, like that of the parent for the child. It is necessary to acknowledge that as we are growing up, our parents are growing older. Spend some time with them. Life is too short to spend enough time with your parents, and too long to live without them. Respect them while they are around. If you want to learn how to live, just look up to your parents, and know that every step you take will affect them too. Every ounce of the confidence in me has been gifted by my parents, and it is the gift that is most precious. Parents' love is like the sun, for the childlike sapling. Without it, the child cannot survive and thrive. The best kind of love is the love of a parent. Creating memories and building a beautiful life together as parents. Being a parent is the epitome of selflessness and unconditional love.